All right, so we just got to Lexington. I'm getting some food. Nom nom. This is day 2 of switching to night shift. So if you want to keep up with this, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell notification icon so you get notified every time we make a new video. We are gonna track it for at least a week to see if it's worth switching over to night shift, and yeah, we're gonna go from there, because you know, if we can make the same amount of money with half the stress, that's what we're going for. So I'll keep you guys updated through the night, and stay tuned. All right, so we just accepted our first order for the night after about 5 that were garbage. It's a little further than I normally go. It's 7.7 miles, but it's $15.25, and it's from Drake's, which is a really nice sit-down restaurant, and from Grater's, which is some bougie ice cream. So there's a really good chance it'll be more than $15.25, and it doesn't take me out of my zone. So let's go knock it out and see what we get. So those restaurants are literally side by side, like are on the same block, and it took about 4 minutes to pick them both up. So now we're gonna go drop them off and see if we get any extra money. So be right back. First drop off, super easy. Took about, I don't know, 6 minutes, $7.50 for that one. So let's head to the other drop off. All right, so we just dropped off the second order of the 2, and it was $10. So it was about $3 more than it said it was gonna be total. And yeah, I would call that a win. So now we're headed back to the hot spot, and we're gonna see what else we can get tonight. I'll check back soon. Had to wait a few minutes that time around, but I just got a stacked order from Taco Bell for 5 miles for $14. So we're doing pretty good. It took about 8 minutes to pick both of those up, because I got one of them while I was in the drive-thru, so they were still making it. So we're headed to drop them off, and we'll see how that goes and see if we get a little extra. It's pretty common at night here to get hidden tips for some reason. I have no idea why, but I don't complain. So we'll check it in a minute. Just dropped off the first order for $6.50. It took about, I don't know, 6 minutes to get to the location from the store. And now I'm headed to the second one. Let's see what this goes to. So we just dropped off the second order, and it wound up to be $8.25. So we are currently at $32 and some change in an hour and 10 minutes. So far so good tonight. We're doing really well. Let's hope that sticks out, and yeah, let's keep going. So we were headed back to where we wait for orders, and got hit with a $6.25 McDonald's order for 2.2 miles, and couldn't say no to that one. So we're headed to pick that up, and we'll see. Okay, so we just picked up the McDonald's order. We're headed to take it and drop it off, and we switched up aspect ratios for recording because I don't like that tall thing. So we'll see how she goes. Check back in a few minutes. All right, so that's just right down the road from McDonald's. Most of that drive was going to get the order. We just dropped it off, and now we're headed back to where we wait for orders, and we're gonna see what's going on. It's been an hour and a half, and we are at $38 and change. So we are officially killing it so far on this night shift. So check back soon. Took about 5 more minutes, but then we got another order from McDonald's for $6.25. That's a magic number tonight, apparently. It's for 3 miles, so we're gonna go grab that and knock it out, and yeah. All right, so we waited entirely too long for that McDonald's order because we didn't know if we were gonna get any more orders. So it took like 10 extra minutes or something because we were waiting on a freaking pie. So we just dropped that one off, and now we're headed back to see how long it takes to get another order. Yes. Well, that time we waited about 20 minutes to get a $6.75 order from McDonald's, and then it took about 10 minutes to pick it up. So not the best right now. Hopefully it picks up a little bit. I'm gonna go drop this off, and yeah. Well, that was an incredibly easy delivery. It was literally like I don't know, 2-minute drive. But it's not looking too good for the home team over here. We might not make it the whole week, but we'll see. So far it's looking like just because it was Saturday night was why it was so good yesterday, but we'll see. So just picked up and dropped off another McDonald's order. It is currently 1 a.m. We are 4 hours in and we are just shy of 60 bucks. So far, it's not the best, but it's also not the worst. So I don't know. We're going to keep going and see how it goes. Alright, so it is a little after 3 a.m. It's about 3:15. I waited a little extra time to see. No. In 6 hours, we made 70 bucks. And, your boy ain't about that life. So, we're going to reevaluate. I don't know, since, this is Sunday, if that has anything to do with it. We might give it another go and see, but first we're gonna yawn and interrupt the video. But we might give it another go and see, but it ain't looking like a night shift is gonna do it. We just didn't get enough orders, and a lot of the orders we got just weren't big enough.